Welcome to the introductory session of Google Developer Student Club, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kalyani. Thank you all for joining us and stay tuned to what we have in today for you. Today we will talk about what is Google Developer Student Clubs, why is it important. We will also introduce you to our core team members and to our extended core team members, and we will tell you about our year-long plan and what we have in store for you. Google Developer Student Clubs are community groups for college and university students interested in Google Developer technologies. Students from all undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome. By joining a GDSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. Google Developer Student Clubs are focused on their three main principles, that is connect, learn and grow. Students meet other students who are interested in developer technologies at their universities. Everybody is welcome, including those with diverse background and different majors. Students also get to learn about a range of technical topics and gain new skills through hands-on workshops, events, talks, and project building activities, both offline and in person. Students get to apply new learnings to build great solutions for local problems, advance their skills, career, and network. They also help by learning and giving back to the community. How do we exactly go about all these visions and plans of GDSC? Let's find out. We have a talented pool of people here at GDSC IIIT Kalyani. Starting with me, hi, I am Akshita Dikshit, your GDSC lead for the year 2021 to 22.
Hey people, I am Munkara Lohit, a project coordinator for machine learning at GDSC IIIT Kalyani. I will be managing and helping out the leads and other members of the community with anything and everything machine learning. Can't wait to get started with the community as a whole.
Hi everyone, my name is Mohit Raj and I am a project coordinator GDSC IIIT Kalyani. I will supervise and guide the team and help them with taking their crucial decisions.
Hello, I am Ishan Mishra, Web Dev Lead GDSC IIIT Kalyani, and this year I am going to guide you through this awesome and vast world of web development. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vinil. I am GDSC Mobile Dev Lead at IIIT Kalyani. My main goal at this role is to familiarize people with mobile development and help them around different mobile development technologies like Flutter, React Native development.
Hey, I am Vijay Sankar, Mobile Dev Lead for Flutter at Google Developer Student Club IIIT Kalyani. I will introduce the basic to advanced of the mobile development using Google Flutter, which is a very good technology and framework used to develop mobile apps at a very fast pace. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shubham Kumar, ML lead at GDSC. So this year I will be helping in conducting Kaggle competitions and talking about quantum machine learning. Thank you and hope to see you at the events.
Hello, this is Avrut from ML Dev GDSC IIIT Kalyani, and I am planning to provide recorded sessions on introduction to ML and building ML models.
Hey everyone, I'm Yashraj Singh and I'm the blockchain lead at GDSC IIIT Kalyani. I aim to create a blockchain culture in our college, and working towards it, I plan to take introductory sessions to blockchain to give people a basic idea about what blockchain really is, and then gradually move on to more advanced topics and fun events in which we would make projects together. I really look forward to interacting and talking about blockchain in the coming weeks. I'll work with other GDSC members to bring forward to you excited events, and all you need to do is get rid of that hesitation and tag along in the journey to explore tech together.
Hi, I am Ayush Vashisht, the Cloud Dev Lead GDSC IIIT Kalyani. My role will be spreading awareness and cloud literacy amongst the students. I will be organizing various hands-on workshops and events in this domain to emphasize cloud-related services and the platforms. I'm really looking forward to work with GDSC. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tathavata Roy, the cloud developer of GDSC IIIT Kalyani, and the first workshop we will host will familiarize you to Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab, followed by a tutorial on Quick Labs and GCP and all its services including Cloud SDK, Cloud SQL, BigQuery.
Reading from Management Lead, Google Developer Student Club IIIT Kalyani. This is Palla Saxena, and I aim to take GDSC Kalyani to its next level on its way to become a major part of the humongous tech communities out there, working for a bright and successful tenure. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aliasar Qasim, member of Extended Core Team of GDSC IIIT Kalyani. I have a keen interest in ML and DL. In GDSC, we learn to work in community to contribute towards technology and making our tomorrow better. Good luck developing.
Hey guys, this is Aishan Bhatt, your blockchain and crypto developer from GDSC IIIT Kalyani. And I would like to invite you all to come join us at this new and exciting field of technology. आज की इंडस्ट्री में आपका Zomato का ऑर्डर ट्रेस करना हो या आपके Amazon का पैकेज को ट्रैक करना, everything is now related to blockchain. So come join us at GDSC IIIT Kalyani. My LinkedIn and Gmail is in community web page. Feel free to cite your queries. See you on this side.
Hello guys, I am Jatin Verma, a part of Extended Core Team of Google Developer Student Club. I am looking forward to contribute in the arena of web development and machine learning. I would like to boost up more interest about these specifications in the community, and I am extremely eager to be a part of this journey, which will ultimately culminate into mutual growth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Agarwal and I am a member of Extended Core Team of Google Developer Student Club. I believe that web dev and cloud are the present and future of computing, and so I hope to promote them in our community. Thanks.
Hello everyone, this is Abhishri and I am the part of the extended core of GDSC, and I have taken part as the web developer and will look forward to help in the same department. Thank you.
Hello people, I am Divya Kumar Karan, a member of Extended Core Team GDSC IIIT Kalyani, and I will be working on blockchain and web development. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Tayak Biswas, a part of the Extended Core Team GDSC IIIT Kalyani. Here, I will be working on projects regarding web development and blockchain. Thank you.
And I will be helping in projects regarding web dev and ML.
So, that was a team for you. But now, what has GDSC gotten for you? As an individual, you get swags and certificates from Google. All you need to do is participate in various programs that we introduce and get Google Tech goodies on acing certain tracks or certain programs that we bring to you. Apart from this, you also get lots of exposure and learning. You get to show off your coolest projects to Googlers and the international GDSC community, and you get a chance to interact and meet amazing and skilled people. As a member of the community, we will bring to you study jams where you learn with others. You learn in public, so you do not give up easily, and you will also have discussion and doubt-solving sessions on various technologies. You also stay updated with events around you. We'll have various hackathons, open source programs in collaborations, and community events are just as fun, and you definitely need to take part. To wrap it all up, the team and I would be looking forward to your active participation and engagement in the community. You can reach out to us anytime over Discord, Instagram, Gmail, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even the community platform. Make sure you sign up yourself as a member of GDSC IIIT Kalyani so you do not miss out on any events and notifications that we send out. We're looking forward to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining in.